When you play music, you're bringing light into the darkness. I want to teach because I love watching humans unfold their wings. We're here to get people's attention. I'm giving you reference to an attitude. Some people will say, what kind of pedal is that? Or what kind of strings? Or what kind of guitar? What kind of amplifier? No, it was soul, heart, mind, body, and your vitals. One note. And with that note, people go, whoa! If you don't stand like that, it ain't gonna sound like that. Before you put your fingers on the fret, visualize these strings from your eyes to your heart. And then you play. Whew. Watch out, world. The real musicians make the ugliest face to create the most beautiful note. They're leaving Earth and they're like, the gravity is pulling their face like, and if your face don't show that you're making an effort, then you're not gonna touch the listener. We tend to look for greatness always in somebody else rather than yourself. Go inside and get your sound. You can only go into the heart by you being vulnerable yourself. That's a whole other level of musicianship. Woo! I'm Carlos Santana. This is my masterclass.